Brad Williams, XL Prime. We want to calculate the volume of a sphere. What we're doing is looking at the radius. We're taking 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. The pi function in the exponent operator can be used to calculate the volume of a sphere. Here's the formula, what I just repeated, which calculates the volume of a sphere given its radius in column B. Units are denoted generically with U, and the resulting value is units cubed. A sphere is defined in geometry as the set of points that are all the same distances r from a given point in three-dimensional space. To calculate the volume of a sphere, the formula is up here, where r represents the radius and p represents the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. In Excel formula, p is presented by the pi function, which returns the value 3.14159. Here is the anatomy. Here's the formula. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.